Hello everyone, welcome to Faewood Mead. Welcome back to Faewood Mead. Appreciate you being here. Today, I've got a new guest, amazing. Her name is Noelle, and she is absolutely fabulous. She knows all the things about all the things. She's the perfect tasting guest here. If you watch the Q&A video, then you will know why. All the accolades.
Oh my, declare.
I do declare. Anyways, why am I spinning this around? It doesn't even matter. This is my keg. Are you impressed? Strawberry and lemon blossom mead. I wanted it to just be like strawberry and lemon, but I made it with lemon blossom honey. So you do get kind of a little bit,
The
lemony.
aromatics.
Yeah, like just a little bit. Anyways, if you want to see how it's made, just keep watching this video. To make this mead, I am using lemon blossom honey. I've added about a pound for a hydromel. Got EC 1118 and about a teaspoon of lemon peel. Now I only add about a half a packet of yeast for a gallon. Also gotta have that Go Firm. Gotta protect your yeasties. So I like to warm the Go Firm up with the yeast. I'm also using Opti-White in this mead just to enhance the mouthfeel. And the starting gravity is at about 1.034 to 3.6, which makes this about a 4.5% mead. And there's a poof. This is 12 days later after adding all my Fermaid O nutrient additions. It is at a nice even 1.000. So I went ahead and stabilized this because I am force carbonating this mead. And I added a 2-pound bag of strawberries. Now I only allowed those to sit for about a week or so before I pulled them out. You don't want to let strawberries sit for too long or you may get a plasticky flavor off of them. And I just let that bag drain. Now because I stabilized this mead, I can go ahead and back sweeten. So I add about 6.2 ounces of lemon blossom honey, as well as 1/8 a teaspoon of wine tannin. Now, almost a month later, this is how clear and beautiful this mead is. Now, unfortunately for me, this mead did re-ferment. Story of my life when it comes to strawberries. So you'll see the gravity is only at 1.006. So I went ahead and added a little bit more stabilizer, and I added more honey, as well as a little bit more tannin, actually. I felt like it was a little thin. Here we are a couple of weeks later, so I decide to, well, not bottle it, but to rack it into these little mini kegs. They take little tiny CO2 capsules, and they fit in the fridge perfectly. Okay, here we go. You ready?
I am, yeah.
Ready to go. You're gonna drink out of this more winey wine glass, and then I've got this.
Interesting, yeah, that'll be
sort of upgrading here.
damn.
It's pretty chill.
That's good. That's really good.
It's very refreshing.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I have 2 kegs because I made a gallon. It's the first time I've used them, so I'm trying to figure out the whole carbonating thing, but I think it carbonated okay.
I think it's good volumes, and it provides just a really nice lift, and also volatilizes aromatics. That's a nice little side thing that CO2 can do. And CO2 is slightly acidic too, so it kind of adds a little structure. But yeah, this is great. Yay! I'm what a treat.
It smells like strawberries, but it's not like heavy strawberry. It's pretty light.
Very much.
I wanted it to be light.
Fresh, like summer, just coming into summer strawberries. Mm-hmm. Yeah, with a touch of the lemon citrusy kind of like aromatics. Mm-hmm. That's nice. This is great. You are gifted.
Thank you.
That is so marketable. Not to be thinking that way, but that is such a good beverage.
Thank you.
Not blowing smoke. That's really good.
I appreciate it.
You always consistently, well, I haven't had these others, maybe it'll go terribly south, but you are really good at balancing acids, fruits. Like, I don't know how you are able to really keep all those flavors in there, but you consistently do that. It's very impressive.
Thanks. I don't know either.
Yeah.
Basically just to sort of tell you what I did. Yeah, I just made a traditional, and then I racked and, I added 2 pounds of strawberries.
For a gallon, that's
Yeah.
part of why you're able to achieve such good fruit.
Yeah.
Your ratios are awesome, but like from a commercial scale, that would be really hard to reproduce.
Yeah.
But if people want to make it at home for themselves, like that is a solid tip, that high fruit quantity.
I like the hiss. It's pretty clear.
Yeah.
It's got a nice color.
Delicious.
Yay!
It's
I'm
really
so
something.
excited. It's my first really crispy, light. I don't usually make hydromels, but considering how kind of little I drink, or I want to be able to drink more quantity without getting messed up, And this is pretty perfect, especially summertime, and it was quick too. It didn't take a super long time to make, which was nice. So the verdict is it's a winner.
Yeah.
This is exactly what I wanted to happen.
Yeah.
And it's satisfying. So if y'all just want to make a chill, summery, light, sparkly, good drink, I don't know.
Uber refreshing.
Yeah, try it out maybe, if you feel like it. Strawberries are usually a hit, so can't really go too wrong, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, thank you all so much for watching this video. Appreciate you so much. I have links and all the stuff in the description. And thank you so much, Noelle, for joining me. I appreciate you.
My pleasure.
And you can expect to see more of her here with some of your tastings. So excited.
Good time.
All right, thanks guys. Mwah, love you. Okay, bye. That's my really obnoxious outro.
I'm not doing that.
Bye.